Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the maintenance light on a Maserati Levante. This process isn't a simple dashboard button press. It typically requires a specialized scan tool. For models from 2019 onwards, you'll also need a bypass cable for the secure gateway module. It's important to address this light promptly, as ignoring it could potentially lead to your vehicle entering a limp mode or other operational issues. If your Levante is a newer model, the first step involves bypassing the secure gateway module. You'll find this module located under the driver's side footwell, often behind a sound insulation panel. With the vehicle off, carefully disconnect the module's electrical connectors. Then, connect your specialized bypass cable to the corresponding gateway control module connectors, ensuring a secure fit before proceeding. Once the bypass cable is installed, or if you have an older model, connect your scan tool to the OBDI port. Turn the vehicle on but do not start the engine. Within your scan tool, select the correct Maserati Levante model. If Levante isn't listed, some tools may work by selecting a compatible model like the Ghibli. Navigate through the menus to find the Oil Service Reset or Maintenance Indicator Reset function and follow the on-screen prompts. After initiating the reset, your scan tool should indicate that the process is complete. It's crucial to then verify that the maintenance light on your Maserati Levante's dashboard has turned off. If the light persists, recheck your connections and repeat the steps. If you're ever unsure about any part of this procedure, or if the light remains on, it's always best to consult with a qualified Maserati technician for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.